Today, we're repairing a driveway with multiple failures. Sinking slabs, hidden voids, uneven joints, and a section dropped along a crack, creating drainage issues, instability, and serious trip hazards. Below the surface, large voids formed from years of subbase washout, leaving concrete sections unsupported and at risk of complete failure. From above, multiple problem areas span the driveway, showing uneven panels, cracked joints, and elevation changes. Small, strategically placed holes are drilled, and injection ports installed to access voids beneath the slab without removing or replacing existing concrete sections. High-strength polyurethane is injected beneath the slabs, expanding to fill voids and lift the concrete level. With the work complete, the driveway is level, voids supported, joints even, cracks sealed, drainage improved, and the surface safer. Call Green Star Insulation and Concrete Lifting today.